She gave the year too.
Pick a category. Which one for 4? Articles for 4. We have our first Pictionary. Who wants to draw? It's one of your group.
What? Oh, I'm a guy, so I should discriminate.
Oh, speaking of which one? Was articles for 4?
Yes.
Okay, articles for 4. This is what I need you to draw.
I have a question about how this works.
Okay.
Do we get the first guess?
You have 1 minute, and y'all can yell as many things as you want, and they can be incorrect. They don't count against you. But at the end of that minute, I need an answer. After that minute, if you haven't given me an answer, if somebody else hasn't, I'll go to them. They can lose points if they get it wrong. No, we'll just use the clock on the wall. That's what I need you to draw. Got it? Easy. 1 minute, starting on the 5. I mean the 1. Sorry. Oh my God! Zoom in on that. This is going on YouTube. Actually, let me show you what it is.
Naked man drinking coffee.
Penis. What's that?
The beach with the cell phone. Like
Cell phone.
The guy taking pictures of the.
Could you come up and zoom in on this? Because I have never seen a cell phone. I don't know what that is. All right, you'll have it next, but you've got it now. What's the significance of cell phone?
Invention of for privacy, like the police got
5,
the evidence.
4.
They get a warrant.
Tell me the story. 3.
Okay,
So there was a woman
from a bar.
Okay, a woman left with a guy, and they went voluntarily, correct?
Yes.
Yes, they did. Go.
And then she went unconscious.
She passed out.
And
He started to touch her and undress her and took pictures of her.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what the guy's name was? 5, 4. What was the guy's name? Christopher Snow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Christopher Snow left a work party with a female coworker voluntarily. They were on the beach. She lost consciousness or passed out. In fact, he began to touch her inappropriately and take pictures of her. How did the police get involved in this?
There was a couple who called the police.
Yeah, there were some anonymous folks that came by, and in fact, they called the police. And when the police got there, what happened?
They took his cell phone and looked at the pictures.
And what'd they find?
And they found the dirty pictures.
They found the very thing that the anonymous tip had actually called in. What did they charge him with? 5.
Second-degree sexual assault and secret peeping.
Yes.
Secret peeping. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Keeping of indecent.
-5. Who's next, Anita? Actually, it's Grayson. Go. What were they charged with? Second-degree sexual offense and secret peeping. 5.
That's literally what it says. The man was accused of sexual offense and secret peeping. At the point, police know began improperly touching the woman and taking photographs.
Oh, okay, so White had it right?
Yes.
Okay,
But I clarified it, so we're on point.
Okay, keep going. Secret peeping photographic imaging.
Yes.
Go.
They decided that they couldn't use the cell phone as evidence because they didn't have a warrant.
He actually sued, Chris Snow did, and when he sued, he said, you're violating my rights because you did not have a warrant to go through my cell phone. What'd the court say? Anybody in the group?
That he was right. I mean,
Why?
Because his rights were violated.
Why?
Because they didn't have a warrant.
Why? 5,
Well,
4.
at that point, it was
It's
like the
illegal to
first.
obtain
It was like the
evidence.
first kind of case, like with cell phones.
It
Like,
was
they could
actually
use
the
that.
first kind of case that dealt with cell phones and whether or not you needed a warrant. But why? What ultimately did they say?
It's illegal to obtain evidence without a warrant because he didn't willingly give it to them.
So what is it like when we talked about it in class, talking about collecting evidence? What's the cell phone like? 5.
Oh,
Food from Boys in the Street.
The cell phone is like the trunk of the car, and you need a warrant for that.
Yeah.
Is there a time, in fact, when you could use or not need a warrant and go through somebody's phone?
Yeah, if they give it to you.
No, if it's just open,
it's
if
already-
it
If
has-
it's open, if it's showing, kind of like the
The inside of the car that's not.
The weed that's on the inside of the car. Click it if you would. Pick me a category. Gotta go. Go, go, go. Pick a category.
Wow, what do you guys want?
Okay, we don't have time for orders. Articles for what? 5?
Yes.
Articles for 5. Marbury versus... I don't know why that's there. Go ahead, Nikki. I saw your hand.
It was the case between where they established the fact that the Supreme Court could review the Constitution and decide whether a law is constitutional.
What's that power called, Nikki?
The judicial review.
Judicial review. Marbury versus Madison was the case that established judicial review. Go ahead, click it. Yeah, the case establishing the principle of judicial review, unconstitutional laws, or striking down unconstitutional acts of the executive. Touch the house. Nikki's group, pick me a category. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 32. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 29. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 54. We don't have to worry about the others.
Something right, we get something right, we get like a point and a half.
Well, you gotta pick the point values. Pick me a category.
4 points.
Civil rights for 4, he says. Pictionary, who wants to draw? From the group that opened the question. Need somebody to draw, come on up. If you don't come up in the next 10 seconds, it's going to be Grayson. What was that? Civil rights for 4?
Yeah.
Need somebody to draw.
Are you going to give us a picture of how it works?
I'm giving you the word, come on up.
Oh, we have to.
Could you erase the phallic symbol that Stefan drew?
It's behind.
Yeah, here you go, please. If you'll draw the phallic symbol. No, erase the phallic symbol. That's what I need you to draw. Got it? 1 minute, starting on the 2. Go ahead, Nikki, when you're ready. Oh, did I show you the word? Okay, let me show you the word.
That's why we got the
I don't know if they're going to get this one. 40 seconds. I'm thinking the same thing, Grace. The same thing.
Sorry.
Wait, what category?
What's the category?
What class is this? No, you can't draw words. You can't draw words. 20 seconds. Okay, I think you're going to have it next, but they still have a few seconds. You've got it 3rd. Looks like you've got it 4th. 10 seconds. Okay, I think that's time. Do y'all have any guess at all? That might be best. Go.
The word placing where you can't say certain things to different workers.
But what did he draw?
Drew a guy.
I need a word. Zoom in on her. Zoom in.
It's not
That's
something.
fried chicken with watermelon.
How did you get that was fried chicken?
He wrote
And his group still didn't get it right. Giggles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me about the diversity pamphlet. You guys have it.
I think it was Delaware.
Delaware, the fine state of Delaware. What government agency was involved in this? 5, 4. Who's got it next? 3. Okay, 2. The government agency. 1. Yeah, go ahead, Aisha.
Is it the
4, 3, 2.
Delaware Department of
Sorry.
It is the Delaware Department of Transportation. On the board now with 1. Okay, what kinds of things are you not supposed to say? Your group's got it.
Okay, you cannot say something like, do you want fried chicken and watermelon?
Watermelon, I have not given points for yet. Be careful not to repeat. To whom?
to Latinos.
You're not supposed to say to your Latino or Hispanic coworkers, can you help me with landscape
I
painting?
thought you'd be better at math.
Math. For
Because
Asian
IT. You cannot ask Asian coworkers if in fact they are the IT worker. Anything else? 4, 3,
You're
2.
very articulate and
To whom?
well presented.
You're not supposed to say that you are articulate to your black coworkers. 3, 2, 1. Grayson, go.
You're not supposed to ask your gay coworkers whether they've thought about getting help.
Not supposed to ask gay coworkers if they thought about getting help. Go.
minds.
4, 3. Anybody in the group? There's a long list of these. Come on, Doris. 2. Go ahead, Michael.
You can't ask the Chinese people if they know a good Chinese restaurant.
You cannot ask Asian coworkers if they know where a good Chinese restaurant is. Go.
You can't ask Hispanic people if they know a good Mexican restaurant.
Cannot ask that. Anything else? 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead.
You can't ask an Indian person if they know a good Indian restaurant.
Was that in there? -4. You were doing so well. Who's next?
I'd like to complain.
Go.
Asking Hispanic if they will mow your lawn or know something.
We said it.
They did. Go. Asian IT guy.
Can we say something?
No. Take a look at the Tiger Woods. Take a look at the Joe Biden clip. Take a look at all of those different things. The Joe Biden clip with Articulate, if you remember. There were several of them. And, you know, again, the old people, if you remember that one, pay good attention to those articles. You gave me the last correct answer. Pick me a category. Go ahead. If you'll touch the house. Yeah, click and go ahead. Gotta go, Grayson.
Civil rights for 3.
Civil rights for 3. List all you can. Here's your chance, Grayson. Click it. The Surgeon General. You've got it first. You've got it next. You've got it third. Go. 5. Go ahead, Doris. What's her name? Who is this surgeon?
Benjamin.
Anybody? 4. Go ahead. What's her name? 3.
Okay, her name.
2.
They discriminate on her for being too fat.
What's her name? 1.
Oh, you got it.
Wow. Go.
Regina Benjamin.
Regina Benjamin. 1, 2, 3. What's the problem?
That she was too fat, and she was a doctor, right? And then they said that because she was fat, people were
obese, that she was not like the good.
Okay. What's the significance of obesity for the article?
That is like the
Number one problem in America.
The Surgeon General is the #1, the mouthpiece for health for the United States government. So here she is, and she is visibly obese according to government statistics. Obesity is the #1 health issue in the country. So what was the argument about her appointment?
That basically is
5.
Setting
4.
an example for American people.
1, 2, 3. It seems to be like going to a doctor that smokes and the doctor tells you not to smoke. It seems like that's a problem. Anything else you can tell me? 4, 3.
Anti-fat grade.
What about it? 2.
Where people that were going against her because